Hi, I'm Sriyaj IC. My topic is importance of matrices in software testing. Test matrices are essential in determining the software quality and performance. Developers may use the right software testing matrices to improve the uh, productivity. Test matrices help to determine what type of enhancements are required in order to create a defect-free, high-quality software product. Make informed judgments about the testing phases that follow, such as project schedule and cost estimation. With the help of matrices in software testing, we can examine the current technologies or procedures to see if it is needed any more changes. There are three types of software testing matrices. They are process matrices, product matrices, and project matrices. Process matrices. A project's characteristics and executions are defined by process matrices. These features are critical to the SDLC process improvement and maintenance. SDLC means Software Development Lifecycle. Product matrices. A product size, design, quality, performance, and complexity are defined by product matrices. Developer can improve the quality of the software development by utilizing their features. The last one, project matrices. Project matrices are used to access the project's overall quality. It is used to estimate the project's resources and deliverables, as well as to determine the cost and productivity and flows. Thank you.